3 people in the house. Mag-love shout out. Do I look alright? And then say yes. You look wonderful tonight. Your sandal show. My favorite shoes. Green shoes. See, Mansour, it's my favorite shoes. Green. Cause I see the love life in your eyes. Oh, ano kayang gagawin dyan? Babahayan na ata yan. And I wonder, no, it's just this story. I love you too. I love you. I love you. Goodbye. Wish I could be the one who would give you love. The kind realities wish I could say to you. And baby, that's not me. I need someone who really knows to you. Promise me forever. Ayan, maraming salamat sa dyan, sa mga nakatambay dyan. 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. Mommy, thank you. Mansour, thank you. At sa silent viewers ko, thank you. Kumain ako ng butong pakwan. Tuloy, parang lumaki yung tiyan ko. When you live, Lady Finger. Later, Mansour. After I reach in my room, I will do live. You and I. Yeah, my room is far away. My room is far away. This is my waiting area. I'm waiting for my transport. Sino yung nakata? You and I. Ano? Bakit ka natatawa, Mami? Mansour, you sleep now. You continue live this, yes, until I reach there. Tinitingnan ako nung my bag is heavy. Amazing. I am not asleep. Mami, hindi daw siya sleep, Mami. Baka masagasaan ako eh. I'm going there because maybe they will bump me. Mami, hindi raw siya matutulog. Abang-abang niya tayong dalawang mag-live eh. Mainit eh. Mainit. I need someone